Now the question is possible to create a variable inside of the function and to have access to this variable outside? Is it possible? In a normal way it isn't, right? Because we said that functions, they have a local scope, they have a box. So you can change it if you want, but be careful, you shouldn't use it much because it's very dangerous. So I will create a function, it's called test2 for example, and here will be something like my name is David again, and I will print my name. So if I will call it, I will print it, comment it out. If I will call it test2, so it means it should print David, correct? I will run it, you can see David, perfect. But now how is set? If the print will be outside, it's impossible, right? Name error, my name is not defined. Okay, that's what we expected, correct? But now what would happen if I would do something like this? I can use the keyword global. Global means that you can say this variable will be global, and you can fill this variable in another line. You can do that in one line. You can see it goes like this. Statement must be separated by new lines. Okay, so it should be goes like this. You know? So my name is equal to David. So this means my name is global and the value of the name is David. So here you can see there is no problem with it. So if I will run it, maybe again I will goes like this, it doesn't matter, run it, and you can see David is there. So now you have access to the variable from outside of the function, and that's the point. But here be very careful, don't use the global if it isn't necessary. Okay, so there are only some special, very special situations when when you can use the global keyword, but try to avoid it. Okay, so this is a global. So now, for example, if I would create something like my name Harry, so what will be printed here? So my name is Harry. After that we will call the function, and the name is David. So after that we will print it. So if I will run it, you can see there is David all the time. What would happen if I will change the order? So now I want to print my name. My name is Harry, but I will call the function after that. I will run it. You can see it's Harry. Okay, because this function wasn't called. It's called after that, after the print. So my name is Harry. We will print the Harry. We will call the test2, and now my name is David. Okay, so if I will do something like this, I will print the name after the function. You can see Harry and David. So it means this, my name is still Harry. I will call the function. My name is David. I will print my name. So my name is David. Okay, I hope you understand. So the most important thing, if there is a possibility how you can change the local scope of the variable, and you can use the global. So it means this variable is global. You have access to this variable anywhere in your code.